Some of the culture shock I still experience as a Korean living in the Philippines even though I lived here for over 20 years. Anyong! Meeting the parents. Ito kasi sa Philippines, kapag may jowa ka, or actually like a serious relationship, medyo early on yung meeting the parents. Yung dating kasi sa akin ng meeting the parents is very heavy. There's this thing called Hangyalnya in Korean, and it's the official meeting of the parents on both sides. And this is usually right before the wedding because we're going to be talking about the wedding plans. Ganun yung dating sa akin ng meeting the parents. To be fair, yung mga meet the parents na tinutukoy ko dito sa Philippines, they're not that serious. It's very casual, very chill. Lunch lang, dinner lang. Sasama ka lang sa family gathering ng jowa mo. Pero, ewan ko. Para sa akin sobrang... Don't get me wrong. I also date to marry. So this is not me having commitment issues and avoiding serious relationships. Defensive. So may mga few times before na I was invited by my previous partners, ex, sa mga family gatherings nila. Tapos pakilala na kita sa parents ko. Tapos ako parang, ha? Ano? Bakit? Bakit ako sasama dyan? Sino ba ako? Ano ba tayo? Ano ba tayo? Literally ilang years tayo. Pero ano ba? Ito na ba yung proposal? Wala man lang sing-sing. Magpapakasal na ba tayo, be? Ano na ba? Woo! Honestly, if I think about it now, I feel kind of bad. Pero it's really... culturally, hindi lang talaga ako sanay. Also, maybe it was an age thing kasi meeting the parents, sobrang tatak talaga sa utak ko na pakasal na. Estudyante pa lang tayo, pakasal na? OA mo. So you really need to ease me into it. Ayun lang, bye!